in that neighborhood, you can see more people that are actually wearing costumes. They're quite happy. I'm not sure that we will survive here, but at least we are trying. I don't know. Some people are very quite strange, isn't it? Quite strange.
It's okay.
Yeah, some of them are drunk, and that's a funny thing. It's legal. It's legal to be drunk. Yeah, to be drunk in Purim. Then, yeah. Now look at the two girls on the roof of the car, which is not allowed in Israel, but it's a special day. Look at the girls there. Still, it's not allowed. Let's cross to the other side because the sun location is not good for the video. I think Shlomi and I are the only non-religious people here. Not, yeah, but not like ultra-Orthodox. Yeah. But it's so beautiful to see it. I mean, beside the drunkenness, it's so beautiful to see the happiness.
לחיים, עם ישראל אחד, לא משנה מה, לא משנה מה.
For good life. Not in front of me. Oh, look at the bride.
I think nothing important here today.
Doesn't matter, it's lovely. Yeah, it's a holiday in a way. A lot of charity.
מה זה? זה אוטובוס, לא?
Well, it's like 3 minutes and we're still alive. No one actually shouted at us. Everyone are happy! Happy! Well, let's wait for the siren to be done. What can I say? We didn't plan to be here, Shlomi. But it's beautiful. It is beautiful. It's, that's what I wanted to see in Jerusalem. Everyone are dressing up. Everyone are here, a little bit drunk, some of them.
And they bring the charity.
It wasn't Mishloach Manot, that was terrible. Mishloach Manot is when you're...
I saw this.
Yeah, when you're bringing some food or kind of food things to your friend.
נמות ולא נתגייס!
תמותו!
פורים, כבר!
That's what I believe in. That's actually...
יאללה, נו.
Probably.
bread, the wine, and the cigarettes. And funny to say, this is legal. I know that it sounds bad. Look at them. It's legal to be drunk. That's a mayor. It's legal to be drunk. They can smell the alcohol. That's the only day. Purim Sameach. That's the only day that it's allowed to be drunk. If I'm not drunk.
It's in cars.
Oh, in Passover as well. Passover meal.
No, it's
The
not
kids
there.
guys drink 4 glasses of wine. Yeah, it's not like that. Usually they have great food here, but it's closed. Then we cannot eat. But that's what I wanted to do. That's what look at that. Look at that. Look at the charity boxes, and people are doing it. That's Mishloach Manot. See that she's carrying kind of a present of a basket full of food, and she's bringing it to other people. And this is the good thing in Judaism, because in this holiday we're thinking about the others, not only about ourselves.
Think about the poor people, to think about family, think about everyone in Israel.
Yeah, that was crazy in wartime.
Oh, that's another thing they like to do. So that's okay.
And we are already 7 minutes and we're still live. Oh, look at the gorilla. Wow, gorilla.
Hey, Purim.
Hot Purim.
I also want to go.
It's a shopping mall. A rich shopping mall. I mean, we are not so far away, I must say, but we are not there. Totally not there. Totally not there. But I think it's beautiful, no?
Where are we?
At the ultra-Orthodox neighborhood. There. Let's go there. I can hear music. Music.
I can smell food.
Yeah, I can smell food. A lot of drunk people. Another thing that I think you pay attention is that they have a lot of children. Some of the ultra-Orthodox families got more than 10 children. Chag Sameach! Chag Sameach! I'm one of them. I'm drunk, but from happiness. That's what I wanted to see here. The real holiday of Purim. We're still in the ultra-Orthodox neighborhood, but we are not on the main street. This is the advertising. See the billboard here? It's called Pashkavil. And because they are not reading newspaper, they are not listening to the news in Israel, then to spread the rumor, to tell the people what to do, what not to do, who died, who didn't die. That's that kind of posters. Pashkavil in Yiddish.
Like many good things about people that die.
Yes. I mean, but this is kind of public information.
תעשה לי תמונה.
תעשה שלום.
אבל זה קשה?
לא פתאום.
זה אייפון, השם האחים, מה זה האייפון הזה? יש את הרמה של סתם. יש את הרמה של סתם.
לא, אבל יש לי יותר ככה. הפורים. It's unbelievable. They want my money, I'm not working. This is the real Purim, which I miss. It used to be like that in Tel Aviv, it used to be like that everywhere. But I think if you watch my videos, you saw their parties. It's all about street parties, which is beautiful. But if you want to see the Purim according to Judaism, you know why this is the place, Shlomi?
I know, I can see.
Okay, without a drunkenness, I won't. You know what? It's okay. Today it's okay. Oh, look at that car. Look at that car.
That car, they have the costume too?
Yeah. Well, I think that was 12 minutes. I think it's enough. Oh, look at that costume. 20 minutes of pure happiness and strange thing. Should we say goodbye, Shlomi?
It should. Goodbye, happy Purim.
Yeah, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please, if you reach that point, write me a comment. Tell me what you think about that crazy happy holiday. But you know what? No, we're not stopping. I can hear music and this is... Bye.